What's up, Merchjar gang? Cameron Scott here, and today is April 13th, and I have some updates for you for Merchjar since our last update video. Let's jump right in. The first new feature is our live chat bubble here in the bottom right corner, where you can click on this and get any help to any questions or troubleshooting that you may have. Just simply start a new conversation and type in whatever you need, and me and the rest of the team will be able to respond directly to your troubleshooting ticket and keep track of it, and just overall be able to provide a better customer support experience. The next feature update is our new bid history. This is the first version where you can see the last 10 changes to any of the bids just by simply hovering over any of the bids in any of the Merchjar tables. And the last new feature is around our smart bids. A lot of people have been asking for a way to enable smart bids in bulk for their campaigns, as well as filter by the smart bid status. So now you can do both. Using the filter, there's a new smart bid metric that you can switch to enabled or disabled. So if we search by disabled, it'll show us all of our campaigns that do not have smart bids enabled. And you can turn all these on at one time by selecting all the campaigns you would like to enable smart bids for, and then bulk actions, smart bid, and enable smart bid. We've also made a number of performance upgrades under the hood that have decreased load times by up to 99%. So as you're applying filters or searches, data loads nearly instantly across all your different pages. We've also made a number of bug fixes that affects the syncing of data between Merchjar and the Amazon API so that you'll receive far less errors when you're making any campaign or bid changes. Another bug fix is in the settings page under the profiles where the ad spend across the different accounts weren't showing. This is now showing accurately, and you can turn on and off your accounts that you would like to manage. So this is an easy way to see where your spend is happening across all of your different ad profiles across all of your accounts connected to Merchjar. We also fix a bug in the products table under dashboard where items weren't showing if there was no performance data such as impressions. Those will now show even if there is no data, as well as other miscellaneous backend bugs and performance improvements. That's it for this update. We have a pretty exciting announcement coming out in the next couple days regarding our official launch and new plans and pricing. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that.